Now children, I'll be explaining you the textual exercises of unit number 3. Now the title is how many. It is also known as numbers, and I have already explained you that nouns have numbers, right? So we will be talking of singular and plural of nouns here. Now see the worksheet number 1. Look at the following picture. Now one boy children here. One boy means this is singular naming word. Means एक है ये, right? And when we have 3 boys, then what will we say? This is plural, right? So here plural is made simply by adding s in the end. Boy आपको पता है, boy is your naming word, और जब हमने boy का plural बनाना है, then we will simply add s in the end. This is the very general rule of making plural. ये बहुत ही general rule है जब हमें plural बनाना होता है. Like see here, one bird, and when we have more than one, we will say 5 birds, right? So here simply we have added s in the end. Now likewise we have one egg. When we have more than one, then we will say 7 eggs. Again simply we have added s in the end. और आप ध्यान से देखिए, boy, bird, egg, all these are naming words. Now let's see the next one. One ship, right? And when we have more than one, we will say ships, right? We have made plural simply by adding s in the end. Now likewise, see here, we have one clock, and when we have more than one, we will say clocks. Here we have 4 clocks, right? Simply we have added s in the end. Now children, this is first rule. Remember, we add s to some naming words to make them many. When we have to change one into many, like जब singular का plural बनाना है, mostly we add s in the end, right? Like see here, card plus s, cards, animal plus s, animals, right? So this is the general rule. Now see here, question number 2. Count the things in the following pictures and write in the space provided. So see here, we have 3 tigers. One tiger, when we have more than one, we say tigers. Simply we will add s in the end. One ball, and when we have more than one, we will say, now see here, we have 4 balls, right? We have simply added s in the end. Now one star, and when we have more than one, what will we say? 6 stars, right? Now one card, and when we have more than one, we will say cards, right? Here we have 3, so 3 cards. Simply we have added s in the end. Now see here, one girl, and when we have more than one, we will say girls, right? Now here we have 5 girls, right? Simply here we have added s in the end. One book, and when we have more than one, we say books. Now here we have 8 books. Now likewise children, here one flower, and when we have more than one, then we will say flowers. So here we have 9 flowers. One toy, and when we have more than one, we will say 2 toys, right? One tree, and when we have more than one, we will say trees, right? Here we have 5 trees. Now simply you will see that we have simply added s in the end of naming words to change singular into plural. Now children, moving ahead, we have rule number 2. Now rule number 2 says, for the naming words that end in o, s, x, ch, sh, double s, we usually means mostly, we mostly add es to change them into many. Now children, this is your second rule, and this rule says, whenever in the end of naming words, जब भी किसी naming word के last में OI, SI, X हो, CHI, SHI या double SI, तो mostly हम उसके plural बनाने के लिए उस word के end में ES add करते हैं, right? So this rule will be more clear to you when I explain you the worksheets. Now let's see the worksheet number 2. Now here children, one tomato, one watch, one bush, one glass, one box. Now see here, in the end we have O here, then we have CH in the end of the naming word, then we have SH in the end, then we have double S in the end, and here we have X in the end. So whenever some naming word ends with these words. Children, you have to memorize these words, right? So whenever you have these letters in the end of some word, then in order to change singular into plural, we will add es. Now see here, in the end of these naming words, we have simply added es to change one into many. Now here see, 1 tomato, 5 tomatoes, es in the end. 1 watch, 2 watches, es in the end. 1 bush, 2 bushes, es in the end. 1 glass, 3 glasses, again es. 1 box, 4 boxes. Here again we have added es. So this is according to the rule second. Now remember, we add es to some naming words to change them into many. So whenever we have these letters in the end, we will add simply es to change one into many. Now children, here we have question number 2. This is again based on rule number second, which I just explained you. This is your rule number second, right? So let's see. Add es to the following naming words to make them more than one. To make them more than one means we have to change them into plural, right? Now bus, children, see here we have s in the end, right? Class, double s in the end. Match, ch in the end. O, right? According to the rule, see here, o in the end. Now then we have hero, again o in the end. Potato, o in the end. Mosquito, o. Then we have dish, now sh, see here, according to the rule, sh, right? Then box, again we have x here. Then ch, let's see the rule, ch in the end. So whenever we have these letters in the end, we usually add es, right? So children, you have to memorize this rule, right? Now bus, simply we will add es. Buses. Class, classes, simply es. Match, matches, again es in the end of the naming word. Mango, mangoes. Hero, heroes. Potato, potatoes. Mosquito, mosquitoes. Simply we are adding es in the end. Now again dish, dishes. Box, boxes. Church, churches, right? So simply according to this second rule, whenever a naming word ends in o, s, x, ch, sh या double s, जब भी कोई naming word इन letters से finish होता है, then we mostly add es to change them into many. Children, learn this rule, okay? Good morning children, I welcome you all in today's session. Today we will be taking up other rules of how many. Now let's see, we have rule number 3 here. Previously we had done 2 rules. Now rule number 3, we change y into ies to make more than one if the word has a consonant before y. Now children, according to this rule, see this word baby. Now before y से पहले यहाँ पर b है, and you know that b is a consonant, right? You know that a, e, I, o, u are vowels, and apart from all these letters are consonants, right? So यहाँ पर जब भी किसी naming word में combination हो consonant plus y का, then in order to make its plural we will simply add ies. हम y को change कर देंगे ies में. Now the other part of this rule is we add s to the words that end in y and have a vowel sound before it. For example, if we have vowel sound before y, यहाँ हमने सीखा कि अगर consonant plus y हो then we will change y into ies. But what if we have vowel plus y? अगर vowel plus y हो, then in that case we will simply add s to make its plural, right? So let's see the examples. Question number 3, read the words given below and put them in appropriate boxes. One example is given for you. Now see, some words are given to you. You have to put them in appropriate boxes. Now let's see the heading of boxes. This is box A, and box A says words with a consonant before y. Means वो naming words जिनका कॉम्बिनेशन कॉन्सोनेंट प्लस वाई का है, जिनके वाई से पहले कॉन्सोनेंट है, दोज वर्ड्स यू हैव टू राइट इन बॉक्स ए. एंड द वर्ड्स विद वॉल बिफोर वाई. अब जिन वर्ड्स के y में जिन words में before y you have vowel, those words you have to write here. Now let's see key. EY, vowel plus y, so we will put in box B. Baby, consonant plus y, so we will put in box A. Family, ly in the end, right? So L is consonant, consonant plus y, we will put it in box A. Fairy, R plus y, right? Again consonant plus y, so we will put it in box A. Monkey, E and Y, you know, E is a vowel, right? So we have vowel plus Y, so we'll put it in box B. Day, AY, right? So A is a vowel, vowel plus Y, so we will put it in box B, right? So read here, this is question number 4. Baby, here again we have consonant plus y, and according to the rule, when we have consonant plus y, then we will change y into IES. Y की जगह IES लिख देंगे, right? So here the next word is key. We have vowel plus y. Vowel plus y है तो simply y के बाद हम s add करेंगे, right? In this case we will not drop y. Y को हम change नहीं करेंगे, ठीक है? Y will remain as it is and we will simply add s to make its plural. Now children, moving ahead, we have question number 5, and question says add s or change y to IES to make the following words more than one. More than one means to change singular into plural. Now children, see here, this question number 5 is entirely, it's totally based on this rule number 3. And according to this rule, what rule number 3 says? It says when we have consonant plus y, then we will change y into IES, and when we have vowel plus y, then we will simply add s in the end of the naming word, right? So children, you have to learn this rule, right? Only then you will be able to do these changes properly, right? So let's see the first one, trophy. H is your consonant, so consonant plus y, we will change y into IES, so this will become trophies. Now story, this is again consonant plus y, so it will become stories. Body, dy, so again consonant plus y, so this will become bodies. Trace, here you have vowel plus y, and whenever we have vowel plus y, so according to the rule we will simply add s, right? So trace. Then story, children, this STOREY, this story means level of building, right? So EY, E is your vowel, so according to the rule we will simply add s in the end to make plural form. Stories. Day, vowel plus y, days. City, this is consonant plus y, so we will change y to IES, cities. Now see this word family, so L is your consonant, right? So consonant plus y, so it will become families. Now moving ahead, we have I part, fairy. Now R is your consonant, consonant plus y, then it will become fairies, right? We will simply change y to IES. Now next we have boy, so OY, O is your vowel, so vowel plus y, we will simply add s in the end, so it will become boys. Country, consonant plus y, so countries. Donkey, here you have vowel plus y, so donkeys. Now moving ahead children, we have rule number 4, and this rule says in some naming words we change f or fe into ves to make them many. And according to this rule, when we have f or fe या f या fe in the end of naming words अगर हो, then we will change this f or fe into ves. So this is your rule number 4. Children, again you have to memorize this rule in order to do these changes properly, right? Now let's do the worksheet, then this rule will be more clear to you. This is worksheet number 3, question 1. It says change the following words into many by changing f or fe into ves as shown in the example. So there are examples for you. Let's see number A, live. Now again we have fe in the end. When we have fe in the end, we will change fe into ves, so it will become lives, right? Now B is leaf. We have f in the end, and when we have f in the end, we will change f into ves, leaves. Now C part, wife. Again FE in the end, so we will change FE into VES, wives. Thief. Now F in the end, we will change F into VES, so thieves. Loaf. So we have F in the end, so it will become loaves, right? We will change F into VES. Now next is wolf. So we will change F into VES because we have F in the end here, so we are following the rule here. Knife, FE in the end, so it will become knives, right? We will change FE into VES. Now here we have half, so F, we have F in the end of this naming word, so it will become halves, right? So children, you have to learn this rule so that you would be able to make the changes efficiently. It is very important for you to learn this rule. Now next we have rule number 5, and rule number 5 says sometimes we change the vowel sound of naming word to change it into more than one. So sometimes in naming words we change vowel sounds, like see in this word tooth is a naming word और इसमें डबल ओ इज़ योर वॉवल साउंड. अब हम ऐसे केसेस में क्या करते हैं, हम वॉवल साउंड को चेंज करते हैं. ठीक है, we will change vowel sound into another vowel sound to make the plural of the naming words. Here double O, tooth. Again double O की जगह हम लोगों ने E sound कर दी. O की जगह we will change into E sound. Teeth, right? Now here man, men, right? We will change man, this vowel sound into men, right? Now see, likewise we have other parts also. Now change the following naming words into many. Now foot, double O. Here we have different vowel sound, and in order to change it into plural form, we will change its sound. Vowel sound को change करना है. Foot, U की sound है, this will change into E sound. Feet, right? Goose, again U sound, we will change into E sound. Geese. Woman, right? It will change into A sound, will change into E sound. Woman, right? Now mouse, mice. Now children, you will get confused कि यहाँ O U तो vowel sound है, but यहाँ I C कैसे आया? Now children, we will see this word as a whole. Ice, and you know that ice is a vowel sound. This I has a vowel sound. So mice, right? This sound, we have to focus on the sounds. This sound will change into this vowel sound, right? So according to this rule, we change vowel sound of the naming words. जब vowel sounds हम naming words के change करते हैं, then we get their plural form. So this is rule number 5. You again have to memorize these words because these are special ones. Now children, moving ahead, we have question number 3 of worksheet number 3, and this question says some naming words do not follow any regular changing pattern for conversion into plurals. More than, plural means more than one. A few examples are given below. Now this statement means that there are some naming words which do not follow any rule. Previously we had done at least 5 rules, right? अभी पीछे हमने 5 रूल्स किए और हर रूल में कोई सेट पैटर्न था, कोई सेट मैथड था विच वी वर फॉलोइंग टू मेक सिंगुलर इनटू प्लूरल. बट कुछ नेमिंग वर्ड्स ऐसे होते हैं जिनका कोई सेट फॉर्मूला, कोई सेट मेथड नहीं होता है, एंड दीज कन्वर्जन्स आर नोन एज इर्रेगुलर कन्वर्जन्स, राइट? जिनका कोई मेथड फॉलो नहीं होता कन्वर्जन का, दे आर इर्रेगुलर कन्वर्जन्स. ठीक है, उनको इर्रेगुलर प्लूरल्स भी बोलते हैं. लाइक वी हैव these two naming words here. First is child, and the plural of child is children. No set rule is followed. कोई rule follow नहीं हो रहा यहाँ. Ox, the plural of ox is oxen. No set rule is followed here. So you simply have to memorize these conversions, right? These are exceptional cases. जो rules follow नहीं करते उन्हें exceptional cases भी बोलते हैं. So these cases you have to memorize. Now children, moving ahead, we have do it yourself. You have question number 1 here. Question number 1 says pick out the errors. Errors means mistakes in the following sentences. One example is given for you. So here statements are given to you, and in every statement there is an error, there is mistake. So you have to find out that mistake and correct it. Now see the first one. The painter had many brush in his kit. Many means more than one. So we will write the plural of brush here. यहाँ sh आ रहा है last में. So whenever we have sh in the end, we will simply add es to make plural form. So brushes. My neighbor had two. Now children, two means more than one. So pets. This is your mistake, right? A cat and a monkey. Now C part, my mother gifted me a new bicycles. Now see here, a means one in number, right? So a new bicycle is the correct. So bicycle we will write here. This is your bicycles is your mistake. The girl had three. Now three means more than one. So balloons, right? BALLLOONS. We will simply add S to make plural form. And a means singular, one in number, right? A toy. So toys is your mistake here. The hunters was surrounded. Now children, was is used for singular subject. Was singular subject के लिए use होता है, right? Singular naming word के लिए use होगा. So यहाँ hunters लिखा है, which is incorrect. So we will write hunter here. The hunter was. अगर hunters है तो उसके साथ were आना चाहिए, right? The hunters were. But here was is given to you, इसीलिए ये was हमें indicate कर रहा है, was हमें बता रहा है कि इससे पहले plural आए, singular आएगा, right? So hunter. Hunter is your singular form. This is correct. The hunter was surrounded by many. Many means more than one. So you have wolf here, right? So F, when we have F in the end, we will simply add VES, right? Change करेंगे F को VES में. So wolf, wolves, right? I went to the market and bought some. Some means more than one. So vegetables, right? And loaves of bread. Again means one in number, right? So loaf, LOAF. So here we are changing plural into singular. The students and their families. Now students, more than one. Their is plural form. आपने singular plural किए हैं naming words के, right? So there is used in plural form. Family, families is the correct one. So the students and their families were invited. Were आ रहा है यहाँ. Were indicates कि this is your, before were हमारा कोई plural subject आएगा, right? So families invited for the annual day function. Now children, next we have question number 2. Tick the correct word. One example is given for you. So here singular is changed into plural. So options are given. You have to tick the correct one. Now louse. Lice is the correct one, right? So again OU sound is changed into ICE, like we did in mouse and mice, right? This is the similar case. Vowel sound is being changed. Now buffalo. O in the end. So when we have O in the end, what we do? We simply add ES to make plural form. Buffaloes. Eco. Again O in the end. This is your rule number 2, right? Ecos. Ray. We have here vowel plus Y. So when we have vowel plus Y, we simply add S in the end. So raise. Hen. Hens. This is the rule number 1. Goat. Goats. Again rule number 1. Shelf. We have F in the end. So when we have F in the end, we change F into VES. So shelves. Now cherry. Again consonant plus Y. So when we have consonant plus Y, we change Y into IES. So cherries. Now children, you have to do all this work which I have explained you through videos in your practice book.